Torch. Gunplay. Leave a nigga alone. Ross. Tryna indict us from all over the place. We cartel, tryna feed my kids, you know. We cartel niggas. Got kids now, I feel more grown. We cartel niggas. Yesterday we on the school bus. I still stay with a pack to chisel. No D can't trap my dribble. T.O. motherfucker. Or a horror show, lead roll, motherfucker. C4 flow, I don't reload, motherfucker. 4, 5, 6 whenever he roll. 4, 5 chicks wherever he go. Ego, size of Montego. Pie side of them Regos. Flying side of that 745 P Rose. Bet I leave you up shit's canyon without skis. You can't talk grams hand in hand without me. I grind, boy, I've been arrested with what you got signed for line 999 times your combo. Listen, torch hustle like Jay say, yeah. Shoot better than Ray, y'all niggas is played out. Cartel enterprise taking your slot, faking or not, leave you in your drop face.
I got a pocket full of stones. I got a pocket full of stones. I got a pocket full of stones, and they won't leave my ass alone. It all started back in junior high, when niggas just started getting high. I was booming chunky monkey dimes. I had it sold up. You want that roll up? You had to holler at your dog for that doja. But see, that reef only keep me with that chump change. I ain't even have a car to let my trunk bang. I ain't even have a broad to suck a fuck, man. Shit was fucked up for me, home until that dust came. Then it started looking good. Them bricks were cooking good. I was a rookie pushing cookies, but I shook the hood. I kept them bases basing. I had them laces lacing. I was making all the paper, you could tell by their faces. Then niggas started getting jammed left and right. Then indictments came in the picture. You selling cane, they came to get you. In the end, it's your friend, be the main nigga snitching. But I'm still popping chickens out the kitchen. I got a pocket full of stones. I got a pocket full of stones. I got a pocket full of stones.